Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about going deeper into data visualization and anything that you're doing, even if it is programming. It's better to understand what happens below the hood. For example, if you're using Python, it's good to understand how Python works. And then after that, it's good to understand C, because Python is built on top of C. And after that, understand a bit of what's happening under the hood. And this will help you mostly if you're building applications onto a way of optimizing it, because you understand the whole programming framework, and you also understand how it works under the hood, and it will help you in the future. So currently I'm learning d3js, and the reason as to why I'm learning d3js is the same reason as what I'm doing. I have used data visualization tools in the past, so many data visualization tools. I started with Power BI, then Tableau, Chat.io, Google Data Studio, and so forth. So many data visualization, and they are so good, they're so great at their work, and it is a whole package where you can write queries and then plot charts and so forth. So my intention is not to fully understand the query bit and stuff. What I want is flexibility into the visual that I plot. Even if I'm building a report, I can have flexibility into what I'm thinking about. I can have flexibility into my creativity and have a visual that represents what I feel is right, irrespective of the traditional visuals that we are used to, like a bar chart, a pie chart, waffle graph, and so forth. We can have any visual, even though it is a bar graph, but we can have an improvement based on your talent and your creativity. And some of these tools are just so limiting. I have used those business intelligence tools, and they are so great, and they are also limiting into what you can plot, because everything is pre-made for you. You just drag a pie chart and you put in the values, and then you determine the colors and so forth. I have used Python and R for data visualization, and mostly I'm a Python person. I don't prefer R, and please don't leave the comment below fighting me about R and Python, which one is better. Depends on the person. But I prefer Python, and in Python, the data visualizations tools are there, like Matplotlib, we have Plotly, we have Dash, we have Seaborn, and so forth. And these are very good visualizations. They offer more flexibility than the ones that I was using in the business intelligence tools like Power BI and Tableau. And you can do much more, but they're still limiting, because these tools are also developed for you. They are pre-made, even though they have a wider range of what you can do, like determining kind of charts that you want, and it also improves on your creativity, but they're still limiting. So I'm learning D3, and it kind of opened ways for me into what I can plot and the visuals that I can have. Plus, it gives me an understanding of what is happening, how these visuals are built. D3 has a very steep learning curve, and if you want to just learn data visualization and then use what is there, or if you just want to have a quick report out, then D3 is not for you. D3 is if you want to build something from scratch. If you want, for example, to build something that you own, if you want to build a visual that is never there. There's some visuals that you usually see on the social media, and you wonder how these visuals were built, which business intelligence tools was used to build these visuals, and mostly those visuals are built using D3. So the reason that's why I'm learning D3 is to have flexibility, to not limit my creativity, and also to go deeper into understanding what is happening under the hood when a visual is created. Yeah, so that's my take for today. If you have any comment about what I'm learning or you want to find out, please leave it down in the comment section. Until next time, bye.